Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Bangalore? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Bangalore. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Quest Academy. Quest Academy, located in Bangalore and holding its rank on number 3 in the top medical coaching centers in Bangalore. This is one of a kind of institute which basically and furiously focus on training aspirants for the JEE, both mains and advanced, and also for the medical NEET entrance examination. They approach each student with scientific and comprehensive techniques, and also selections are made on the basis of self-motivated, capable, and according to their talent. Quest helps them to enhance their capabilities through their remarkable guidance and level up their potential. Okay, the address of Quest Academy is number 2 opposite HMT Ground, RT Nagar Main Road, RT Nagar, Bangalore, Karnataka 560032. Their contact number is 0948284986, and the fee structure includes a sum of rupees 75,000 for 1 year and a sum of rupees 1,05,000 for 2 years. Okay, their batch size is 30 to 35 students in a batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have the PUC Academy. The PUC Academy is on number 4 in the top medical coaching centers in Bangalore. This is an excellent platform for NEET preparation and provides all the best faculties under the affordable range. Moreover, the PUC Academy conducts various classes for numerous courses and also caters to the foundation courses as well. Tuition classes are also available for the students in this institute. Moreover, this is the perfect blend of all the top-notch requirements. This best NEET exam coaching institute in Bangalore has helped many students in cracking the NEET examination. Okay, the address of this institute is Old Airport Road near HALGBG Colony, Marathalli, GBG 64, First Cross, First Main, Bangalore, Karnataka 560037. Their contact number is 0966 3599 Now let us talk about the fee structure. The fee structure for the 2 years is rupees 70,000 and it is 35,000 for 1 year. So friends, the last institute we will be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is LN Career Institute. LN Career Institute is the leading coaching center for the JEE Main and Advanced. JEE Main, pre-medical and many other courses are offered by the institute. This academy is highly regarded for the excellent educational pattern for entrance exam preparation. Moreover, Ellen Career Institute is best in producing a result-oriented track. This academy is basically focused on building an unbreakable foundation concept so that aspirants can easily achieve its hard-term goals in a minute. This coaching institute is one of the top 10 lead coaching institutes in Bangalore. Okay, now let us talk about their contact details. The address of this institute is 5th Main Road, Vinayaka Nagar, Hebbal, Bengaluru, Karnataka 560024. Their contact number is 08046704180. Now let us talk about the fee structure. For the 11th standard, it is rupees 1,49,000 for 1 year. For 12th, it is 1,53,000 for 1 year. And for the target courses, it is 1,53,000 for 1 year. The batch size is 35 to 40 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Bangalore. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.